For this week's upgrade, more menus have been added to the Mapping Center. For instance, from time to time, you would want to load previously created slips into other slips without having to input data from scratch. In Mapping Center before, you could only choose sales order and sales. But now, just like pulling sales order into sales, other inventory menus and its input fields can be chosen to be mapped. For example, if you want to enter a purchase slip at the same time as creating a sales slip to simply manage quantity in and out for items sold, you can press New button at the bottom and put Sales as menu to load and Purchases as menu to be created. After saving, you can choose which fields from the sales will be mapped and loaded into the purchase slip. Obviously, you wouldn't want to load customer information into vendor field in the purchase input screen. In this case, you can set it as no mapping. And if you just want to keep the customer info in the remarks at the bottom, click the field, click Field Mapping, then click Customer Vendor Name Sales to keep it as a reference. After completing the mapping setup, if you go to New Purchases, click Load Slip button in the middle, click Sales, then choose the slip you want to load. Here I will choose a sales slip for Quick Mart with a pillowcase. After applying, you can see that the customer field at the top stays empty and the remarks field at the bottom is filled in. If you use Mapping Center, loading slips can become easier than before.